Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of server error on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about X Twitter and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you.